Repeat the Mool Mantra first. Ik Onkar Satnam Karta Purkh Nirpao Nirvair Akal Murt Ajuni Sahibang Gur Prasad Jap Aad Sach Jugaad Sach Hai Phi Sach Nanak Hosi Phi Sach Ik Onkar Satnam Karta Purkh Nirpao Nirvair Akal Murt Ajuni Sahibang Gur Prasad Jap Aad Sach Jugaad Sach है पी सच नानक होसी पी सच एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भौ निर्वैर अकाल मूर्त अजूनी सहपंग गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगा सच है पी सच नानक होसी पी सच वाहिगुरु 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 वाहिगुरु। अच्छा जी, my first question is, why do you feel doing part is necessary? Why do you feel doing part is necessary? Who can answer? Who will answer? Hani? Acha, okay. Leave alone part. Why do you feel studying in the school or college is necessary? Why do you feel studying in a school or college is necessary? Hani?
So you can build a better future?
Okay. So that what all the world needs, it should be there in your head, right? In other words, what all the world needs for you to get a job, it should be in your head. To memorize and to practice the theory part of it, you go for schools, colleges, right? Agreed? So that's how we go to the school of Guruji. Okay, what all is needed in this world by the God and how we should behave towards Him. To learn that, we do part. Are you getting my point what I am saying? Okay, what all is needed in this world by the God for us to be in this world, we take those lessons from Guru Granth Sahib Ji. So that is called part. Part is nothing but taking lessons. So the first lesson in Guru Granth Sahib Ji is the gist, like there is the index in your first book, right? There is an index in your first book, first page, the whole book follows it. जिमें थोड़े किताब दे मुड़ दे उत्ते इंडेक्स हुंदा हैगा, उस इंडेक्स दी पूरी फिर किताब व्याख्या हुंदी है, ध्यान रखना. So is Mool Mantra Sahib. If you learn this Mool Mantra Sahib, understand it, the whole of Guru Granth Sahib Ji is explanation of this Mool Mantra Sahib. Are you getting my point? The whole of Guru Granth Sahib Ji is the explanation of this Mool Mantra Sahib. So, as I said last time, when this creation was not there, yani when we were not there, God was there. When the creation was not there, the creator was there. Who was there? The creator, right? So I again say in the science formula, when this material world was not there, the energy was there. Do you agree with this? When this material world was, the seen world is material world. This is material world, right? When this material world was not there, the energy was there, and the material world was created by the energy from its own self. Before the material world was within the energy, now the energy is part of this material world. Do you agree with this? Okay? So I put it in the spiritual form, divine form. When this creation was not there, it was part of the creator. The creator created this creation from his own self. Now the creator is part of this creation. Because the Semitic religions, you know what Semitic religion means? The people who follow Jews, Christianity, Muslims, they are called Semitic religions. Right? They don't believe that God is part of us. They believe God is in heavens. God created this creation for within 6 days, and 7th day on Sunday he rested. And they believe what all good deeds you do is been washed, is been, there within yourself, even after you are dead, even after you have died. The last day of judgment, the God is again going to wake you up from the coffins, from the graveyards. So they are waiting for the last day. We don't wait for the last day. Are you getting my point? They say God is in heavens, and Sikhs say God is not in heavens. God is there within each one of us. If you learn how to be within yourself, you are in heaven. Are you getting my point? If you learn how to be within yourself, you are in heaven. If you don't know how to be with yourself and you just communicate in this world without going within yourself, you are in hell. For example, if you don't sleep, going to sleep is going within yourself, right? If you don't sleep and work for whole of your life, what will happen? Are you getting my point what I am saying? ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੌਵੋ ਨਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਇਹ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਰਹੋ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? You'll go mad. ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਓਗੇ. Are you getting my point? That's hell for your life. Am I been clear? What I'm saying? ਕਿ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਸਵੇਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਥੱਕ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ, you get tired, that was just going to the world. Now, when you are tired, you have to go within. If you don't go within, if you don't go to sleep, what will happen next day? पागल हो जाओगे. मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? So meditation is nothing but जिथे तुसी रात ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸੌਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ਥਕਾਵਟ ਰਿਵਾਈਵ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉੱਥੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਜਾਗਦਿਆਂ ਹੋਏ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਲੈਸਨਸ ਲੈਣਾ. Are you getting my point what I am saying? ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਸੌਂ ਕੇ ਆਰਾਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਗਦਿਆਂ ਹੋਇਆਂ ਜਾਣਾ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਸਕੋ. ਉਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅੰਦਰੋਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਸਕੋ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਕੇ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬਾਡੀ ਨੇ ਅਗੇਨ ਯੂ ਗਾਟ ਰਿਵਾਈਵਡ, rejuvenated, right? Again fresh, you got energy in the morning. If ਤੁਹਾਡੀ એનર્ਜੀ ਨਾ ਰਿਵਾਈਵ ਹੋਈ ਹੋਵੇ, ਅੱਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੁੱਲਦੀ ਸਵੇਰੇ. ਜਿੰਨੀ ਛੇਤੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬਾਡੀ ਐਨਰਜਾਈਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਅੱਖ ਖੁੱਲਣ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. You know this? Are you getting my point? So ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸੌਂ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤਾਕਤਵਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਗ ਕੇ ਤਾਕਤਵਰ ਹੋਣਾ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਹੀ ਧਰਮ ਹੈ. ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਸਮਝ ਆਈ? ਮੋਇਆ ਜਿੱਤ ਕਰ ਜਾਈਏ ਤਿਤ ਜੀਵਦਿਆਂ ਮਰ ਮਾਰ. ਉੱਥੇ ਜਿਉਂਦੇ ਮਰ ਜਾਓ. ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਰ ਕੇ ਜਾਓਗੇ, ਉੱਥੇ ਜਿਉਂਦੇ ਮਰਨ ਦਾ ਖਿਆਲ ਸਿੱਖੋ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖਿਆਲ ਕਰੋ, why do you go to sleep? Because when you go out from your internal energies into this world, at point you start getting exhausted. Physically you get exhausted. Your body gets exhausted, de-energized. The moment your body gets de-energized, your body stops coordinating with your mind, and body wants rest. But if the mind says, "मैं picture देखनी है," you know what happens? एकदम आँख बंद हो जाती है, physically आँख बंद हो जाएगी. Are you getting my point? जिस वेले बॉडी एग्जॉस्ट हो जाती है, तो थोड़ा मन फिर भी कोई पिक्चर देखना चाहता है, कोई ख्याल करना चाहता है, तो थानू जबरदस्ती नींद आएगी. ध्यान रखना, वो बिचे रुक जाएगा काम थोड़ा. That's called death. What's called? ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਰਾਂਗੇ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਆਪਣਾ. The day we are going to die, अपने मूरे सारे काम होंगे, मन कहेगा आ भी काम करना, but God will take you out. मेरी बात समझ आई? So that's how the death every day night is to practice the death of your final day. जिस दिन थोड़ी मौत आनी है उस मौत ਦਾ रोज रात ਨੂੰ ਅਭਿਆਸ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੌਤ ਆਣੀ ਹੈ. This is how you will physically get exhausted and your mind will say, no, I can't help you now. ध्यान रखना. So when you are young, see how the death comes. Death comes when the child is in the mother's womb. Death comes when the child is in the mother's lap. Death comes when the child goes to school or having food at a small age. While playing, death comes at any age, at any time. So nobody knows when we are going to die. क्या जाना कि वे मरेंगे, कैसा मरना होए, जेकर साहेब मनो ना विसरे ता सहला मरना. Are you getting my point? So nobody knows, neither your mom knows, neither your papa knows, no one knows when you are going to die down. A day will come to you, ਘਰ ਘਰ ਇਹੋ ਪਹੁੰਚਾ, ਸਦੜੇ ਨਿਤ ਪਵਨ, ਸੱਦਨਹਾਰਾ ਸਿਮਰਿਏ ਨਾਨਕ ਸੇ ਦੇ ਆਵਨ. When God is going to call you, be ready for his call. Whenever God is going to call you, he is going to inform you. Inform everyone. Learn to listen to him. If you don't listen to him, though he may be informed, you are informed, you may not be knowing it because you don't know how to listen to him. And he is there within each one of us. He communicates through each one of us. सब है घट राम बोले, रामा बोले, राम बिना को बोले रे. So everyone has the inner voice. Everyone can speak, listen, work through the inner voice. Usually we do that. Whenever you are growing up, it's your inner voice and your voice mixed up. You don't know how to follow the inner voice. You don't know, you can't differentiate how the God's communication is through you and how your mind is communicating. So to learn that, Guru Granth Sahib Ji is there. To learn that, we take lessons from Guru Granth Sahib Ji, how I should be able to differentiate what is my voice and what is his voice. So everyone is being guided by the inner voice. So how it has to be differentiated, I'll just give you one example. All positive things, all answers are being